What if I told you that turning 10 bucks into 10 grand isn't just wishful thinking? It's a simple math formula that really works. And it's not about winning the lottery. It's about using one of the most consistent ETFs on the market, SCHG, and a simple habit, investing just $10 every trading day. You don't need thousands of dollars, just consistency, commitment, and the courage to start. Because when you show up every day, even with just 10 bucks, you're building something powerful, one investment at a time. You don't need perfect timing, just the discipline to show up consistently. Because while markets zig and zag, your steady contributions stay the course, turning volatility into opportunity and patience into progress. You just need the right strategy, because when you invest with intention, even the smallest daily contributions can unlock a future bigger than you imagined. It's not about timing the market, it's about making time work for you. And in today's video, we'll break it down for you with real numbers. I'm going to show you exactly how long it takes to go from $10 to $10,000, and then way beyond. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I've also got a bonus tip on how to turn this into a personalized challenge that could completely shift your financial future. Hi, I'm George Mayfield, the Dividend Doctor, and this is the Infinite Income Channel, where we help you grow your wealth and invest for infinite income. Here's how to turn $10 a day into $10,000 and more. Let's lay the foundation. So, SCHG is Schwab's U.S. Large Cap Growth ETF. It's designed to track the performance of large cap growth stocks in the U.S. market, essentially powerhouse companies with strong earnings momentum. It's full of innovative giants, think companies like Apple and Microsoft, also Nvidia and Amazon. Over the last decade, SCHG has averaged about a 13% annualized return. So let's say you invest just $10 every day the market is open. That's about 252 trading days a year, or $2,520 annually. Using SCHG's 13% average growth rate and compound interest, your investment grows surprisingly fast. You won't believe how quickly the numbers stack up. Let's break it down. This isn't just investing. It's building a financial engine that gains speed every single day. Starting from zero, you invest $10 and continue adding $10 per day every day the market is open. By year 3, you cross $10,000. In 5.5 years, you're at $20,000, and after just 9.5 years, you break through $50,000. That's the power of consistency plus compound growth. Small steps repeated daily become unstoppable momentum, turning spare change into serious wealth. Even though you're only investing $10 a day, over time your money starts doing the heavy lifting, compounding quietly in the background until it's working harder than you are. And remember, that's assuming the historical average, meaning if the future even slightly outperforms, your results could be even better. With time on your side, you're stacking the odds in your favor. Markets can go up and down in the short term, but over the long term, this kind of steady investing strategy can really build wealth. And now, here is my challenge to you. Start your own $10 a day challenge. Pick your favorite ETF. Maybe it's SCHG, maybe it's SCHD for dividends, or VTI for total market exposure. Just make sure it aligns with your goals, whether you're chasing long-term growth, building income streams, or securing a legacy for your grandkids. Your investment strategy should reflect the future you're working toward. Open a brokerage account, set up auto investing, and commit to $10 a day. You'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. And be sure to post about it. Share your progress, your wins, your lessons. You never know who you might inspire to start their own journey toward financial freedom. Call it the $10 challenge, your daily commitment to growth, discipline, and a future you're actively building. Tag it, track it, and invite others to join the movement. I want to hear your story, because every journey, no matter how small it starts, has the power to inspire someone else to take their first step. And now here's that bonus tip I promised. Once you hit $10,000, don't stop. That's when compound interest really starts snowballing. From there, it takes less time to double than it took to build the first 10,000. Your money is now building its own momentum. Every dollar is pulling the next, compounding with time and turning steady effort into exponential progress. What started as a simple habit is now a self-sustaining wealth engine. Ride that wave all the way to financial freedom. Because once momentum takes hold, every dollar invested becomes a building block in a legacy that outlasts market swings. The Infinite Income channel is here for education and inspiration, not financial advice. Always do your own research and talk to a licensed professional if you're making major financial decisions. Are you ready to start your $10 a day challenge? Drop a comment below and tell us which ETF you're choosing. And don't forget, every great journey begins with one small step. Your choice today could shape your tomorrow. If you found value in this episode, give it a thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you're curious about how SCHG stacks up against other growth ETFs like VUG or QQQ, check out some of our other videos here on the Infinite Income channel. Until next time, always invest wisely and keep building that infinite income.